Welcome back to How To with Steve Stokes. This is the third time I've made this video and my computer crashed, but here we are. Now we're going to learn how to make a Facebook leads form for a seminar. Great. Let's go to Facebook. Now we're going to go to the page I love Salt Lake City, Utah. This is our example. Click on the page, go to Business Manager, click Publishing Tools, click Forms Library. Now you can see I've already made it because I've done this video a couple times. It's going to work this time. Anyway, click Create New Form. Alright. Now for the name here, we have to make absolute sure that we do this correctly or it will not work. So for a seminar, we have to put the node associated with the seminar right here. Now, our website is a Drupal site, and every page and every piece of content that is created has a unique node number associated with it. So we're going to go to our website. Let me get some of these tabs out of here real quick. Okay, cleaning up. Alright, great. So we're going to go to our website. I'm going to go to Content, click Content, click Reset, click Type, click Seminar, click Filter, click the seminar associated, click Edit. This is your node number right here. Grab it, copy it, go back over here. Paste it, space, make sure you hit a space in the dash, and then you can type whatever you want. So let's be very logical about it. It's Utah, it's a seminar, it is July 12, 2017, and this is version 1. I don't care if you do it exactly like that, just as long as we can tell what it is and the node is first. Okay, headline. Now we've got this wonderful, beautiful template here, which I have already filled out here in Utah, right here. Down, down, down. Alright, so I've already filled this out. I showed you how to do it in the last video, but that video doesn't exist anymore. So you should be able to figure it out. So there's my header. Going to paste that in there. Image, use an image from the ad. Layout, paragraph. Got our paragraph right here. Great. Button. This is the call to action button, which is RSVP now. We're going to paste that in there. Good, good. Questions. Alright. Questions. You can find that on the template. So we've got email, first name, last name, phone number, zip code. Note, date of birth is left off because date of birth does not work with Instagram right now at this point in time. Hopefully that changes in the future, but it is the case right now. Anyway, back to the form. Not full name, uncheck that. Show more options. First name, last name, phone number, zip code. Privacy policy. That is always going to be this beautiful page right here. Copy it. If I'm going too fast, pause and rewind. Then we're going to click the thank you screen. Now this is going to go to the landing page or the form. The purpose of this is so that they can share it with people. The more people that sign up, the better. So we're going to find our form. And we're going to add an offer code. Question mark offer underscore code equals, I don't care what it is as long as we can tell what it is. So let's do FB leads button. Got it. We're not going to shorten it. We're not going to alias it. We're going to paste it in right there. Okay, very important step here. Click settings. Sharing. We don't want this restricted. We want it open so that we can get organic traffic. So then we're going to save and we're going to finish. I realize that I named this exactly the same as the other one. This is actually version 2, but yeah. So now I'm going to refresh. Okay, version 2. Great. Now remember, you can't edit these, so if you need to edit it, then you have to click here and you should be able to duplicate it here, but you can't right now for some reason. So you could just hit create again and then duplicate it. Now we need to tie the seminar to a phone number, or we need to make sure that it is tied to a phone number, which it should have been set up that way to begin with. So let's just walk through that quickly on how to do that. We're going to go to our dashboard. We can find Utah, view, good, marketing, messaging, excuse me, phone setup. Alright, here's our seminar. It is tied to a number. If it is not tied to a number, you have to go to Twilio and buy a number for $1 and name it and put it in here. So I'm sure there's another video somewhere on how to do that. Now that that's set up, then we go to messaging, Facebook leads, auto reply. Now I've already set this up. Basically all you do is you check enable and you paste in your non-confirmed text right here. Okay, now we're going to hit save. Now let's go ahead and test this out. Hit preview, RSVP now. Make sure this is a live, real phone number, and you have to confirm that this works before you can say that it's done. So submit, and then take a look. You can go ahead and test this out too. Okay, great, that's working. Now let's look at our phone, which you can't see. And I did, in fact, get a text message regarding the seminar, and it says, please type C to confirm your place at the seminar. So, perfect. Now let's assume that that didn't work. You need to know how to submit the form again so that you can test it until it's right. So you have to click Developer Testing Tool here, and then you have to go find the page here. I love Salt Lake City, Utah, in the springtime, and we're going to click the form, version 2, delete lead. Okay, now I can submit it again. Alright, if you have any questions, please ask.